What's up, guys? Sean from Rest to Live here, and I've got a real quick one for you here today. I want to tell you what happened, and then what I did about it, and then we're going to wrap it because I'm going to get back after taking a little lunch break here. So, Block, formerly known as Square, symbol SQ, got a little bit of good news today. Mizuho, who's a bank and analyst, came and basically said that they had previously targeted $190 per share as their price. They've bumped that up to $215, and they've remained at a buy signal for Square, Block, SQ, whatever we're going to call it. And as of the recording of this video, it is currently sitting at $144 and about 40 cents, which is up about 4.5% on the day. So if you've been watching any of my videos, the options challenge in particular, I do sell puts on Square every so often. As soon as I saw this news, and this is a position I already have in my portfolio anyways, what I did is I jumped right in and sold a few lots today. Let me see if I got my number here in front of me. I can share exactly what that number was. Let me just see if I can grab it quick here. Excuse me. What I did is I sold 3 lots really quickly. And the goal behind that was essentially just to grab what I perceived was going to be quite a bit of volume today, frankly. So it was a good call. I liked where the price was. I wanted to share it with you here. I know I'm going to do an update later in the week, but I figure what the heck, I'll do the update now to show you where I am and just get a feel for how this works during the week. Let me just find the right page here. Bada boom, bada bing. So this is the week 13. This is not an update. I'm going to do a full update, but and I'll ignore what I did yesterday, which was a good day also. But as of today, I saw that news come out. I waited for a move in the stock to sort of settle in a little bit. And what I did is I sold 3 puts at $140 strike. So I'm well below execution here. And it actually paid out at $1,215. So this actually works out to $405 per contract. Obviously times 3 is $1,215. And at the time of trading, it was around about $1.38, $1.39-ish, but it was whipsawing, so I didn't get execution right away. So the only reason I wanted to share this was when you watch the news and you understand what happens with the news, really good things can happen. So this is a case where this is something I already was watching, I already had some degree of conviction on, I already felt from sort of my exponential moving averages, the way that I track movement of pricing, I felt like things were okay. The range of analysts' price calls were anywhere from like a low of 110 to up and over 200. So seeing another analyst jump over the 200 mark, seeing that they're leaving it at a buy, that to me is a great opportunity to try to grab some short-term income. Now, to be totally clear here, as I always say, I actually don't care if I get assigned these shares. I'm happy to own them. I have a huge position relative to my portfolio in this. Now, all of that said, don't copy what I did. I already did it. I did it the moment I saw the news, but I wanted to share it that this is why you really have to do your research ahead of time. So when something changes or happens, you can react to it in real time. So I'm getting the upswing on the several hundred shares that I own today. And I'm grabbing some extra premium for making the put sale today as well. So long and short of it is, that's what happened. That was the plan today. Now, as always, right, like I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you advice here. I just want you to see the way this, excuse me, that this happens in real time. I executed from the news to my position really in the matter of like 15, 20 minutes. I used a limit, just to be clear, on my selling of the put. As soon as it executed, I recorded it right away. So we're off to a banner start to my options challenge for this week. Nice little grab of some money today, and waiting for the next piece of news to come out that I'm going to be on or on top of. So that said, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys start to learn to build these kinds of strategies, understand how you fit within your portfolio. And my God, I can't shake this cough since I had COVID. Sorry about that. So everybody, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. Hopefully you learn a little bit here about how these things work. And otherwise, have a great rest of the week. Talk to you soon.